Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per our decided session, we shall discuss about today we shall discuss about Wedley, trapezoidal and Simpson's rule. Please note down. The topic for today discussion is what? WEEE Strophius, Wedles, comma, trapezoidal, 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 and Simpson's rule, SIMPSON, Strophius, Simpson's rule. This is Wedley, trapezoidal, and Simpson's rule. Students, it is relevant to discuss here that in this chapter, in this topic, we shall see a correlation between the numerical differentiation, numerical integration, Newton-Cotes formulae that has already been discussed. I am sharing this literature for your kind perusal. Please see. This is we have already discussed the numerical differentiation, the Newton's backward formula, Newton's forward formula, and I advise you all that you should go through this literature. Then only you can find a concrete relation between these three principles. These are the numericals of this chapter. You can download this material from your portal. I am going to upload this material for your study. Just I am coming on the point that is for your today's concern. These are some numericals that are based on the previous topic that had already been discussed. As numerical integration, I was telling you, this is Newton-Cotes quadrature formula. Come here and see. From here, we are going to reach to the terminal of Simpson's rule and Wedley's rules and others. So let us take an integration as a to b fx dx, and by the definition of definite integration, we know well that why this result is obtained by initially taking x naught is equal to a and xn is equal to x naught plus nh is equal to b. This result of a and b, and putting this result in this function as x naught, this is the lower limit a and this is the upper limit b, and the value of fx is for this, that x is equal to, we have taken x naught plus rh and dx is equal to hr. By substituting these values, we can get this result. This is Newton's forward interpolation formula. And finally, we get a result in equation 1. This is known as Newton-Cotes quadrature formula. With the help of from this the general formula, we deduce the following important quadrature rule. By taking n is equal to 1, 2, 3 means natural values of n, Putting natural values of n, we can find trapezoidal rule. Putting n is equal to n, the shape of the above graph will take this form, and the point will be like this and this, and the integration will take this form. Similarly, if you proceed the next step, you will find this, and at lastly for nth step, the result of this will be as equation 2. This is known as trapezoidal rule. Students, here is Simpson one-third rule. This is also based on the same concept. This is Simpson's 3/8 rule, and here is Wedley rules. I suggest you that you should write all these things, and in case of any query, you should put during your problem session hour, or you should write your comment in the comment box. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment, and I promise that I will resolve your query. Thank you for enjoying this lecture and listening.